Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing access and the right hardware. Subscribe to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate or a plan with cloud gaming, then sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure your Mac runs a supported Mac OS version and install a modern browser like Chrome or Edge. Next, pair your Xbox controller via Bluetooth or plug it in with USB-C so input is ready. Once done, open Xbox. com/play, sign in, and you're positioned to launch cloud games without installing Windows. This saves time and complexity. Now you choose the path, cloud streaming or a Windows VM. For cloud, enable cookies and hardware permissions in the browser, set stream quality to standard or high and close bandwidth heavy apps. If you prefer local play, install Parallels Desktop, set Windows 11 with at least 4 CPU cores, 8 GB RAM, and GPU acceleration, then install the Xbox app and sign in. Make sure controller input maps correctly and test latency. You'll get lower latency locally, but more setup overhead than browser streaming. Finish by launching a game and adjusting streaming quality to match your connection. Choose Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for best results. Make sure background apps are closed and reduce resolution if you encounter stutter. If you used Parallels, tweak resource allocation or enable DirectX/Metal pass-through to improve frame rates. If something goes wrong, like controller dropouts or lag, restart your router, update controller firmware, repair Bluetooth, and verify no VPN or firewall is blocking Xbox. or the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.